So this is going to be my first update for the Project Pan Forgotten Loves challenge. In case you missed the intro video, this is a collab with 4 other girls. I'll list all of their channels and their videos down in the description box as well. There's Alex and Drea. This is actually their project. They just invited all of us along to join them. There's also Janna from Janna Cookie. This is actually the second collab video that I've done with her. We did one a very long time ago. And Elle from Elle S, and also Lauren from Mae Beauty. So I will go ahead and link all of them down in the description box, as well as their update videos. They should all be up by now, but initially we had picked out a couple of products that just weren't getting enough love, or that we had forgotten about, that don't get enough usage. So I started out with this product here. This is one of my favorite foundations and I really enjoy it for my dry skin. This is the Clinique Super Balance foundation right here. I have the shade Alabaster. It's just a titch too dark for me, but that's all right. When I started, I was at that top purple line, and I don't wear foundation on a daily basis anymore, so using this has kind of been a little bit difficult. Obviously, I need to use it a little bit more than I have been because I'm only down to right there. It shouldn't be a problem finishing off this last little bit. I just need to wear foundation. Usually I just wear concealer and a powder lately, so I just need to mix this in with a lotion or something and then apply it to the face super sheer, and I could get through this piece of cake. The next item is actually a bronzer, and this is just a little deluxe size, but I did try and finish this off last year. I wasn't able to, and so I thought it would be the perfect time to bring this item into this project. This is the little mini size of the Park Avenue Princess bronzer, and this little size has 3 grams of product. At the intro video, I hadn't hit pan yet, and you could just barely see the little circles of the pan showing through underneath the powder, but this is where I'm at currently. I did hit pan right in the center, and it's pretty shallow right along this side of the pan, and it's quite up to the top and pretty full on this side. So I'm not quite sure if this one will be completely finished, but if there's anything left in here, there won't be much. So anyway, that's the progress that I was able to make on my bronzer for this project. Then I have a couple lip products. The first one is a liquid lipstick from Mae, and this isn't your typical liquid lipstick that dries down to a matte finish, kind of like what I'm wearing today. It's more of a liquefied lipstick, so it's a super opaque gloss. This one is from Mae right here. This is in the shade Orchid, and the specific name for these glosses are their High Shine Liquid Lipsticks. If you look on here, I was right there at that purple mark at the intro, and I didn't think that I would move through this as quickly as I have been, and I got down to that point. It looks like I'm all the way up here, but that's just a little bit caught on the edge of the container. I'm actually all the way down to there. So this one for sure will be finished off. I really wasn't reaching for this very much, even though it's one of my favorite lip gloss shades. I love the color of this gloss. So I did pop out the little stopper that's in here. I have a video on how to do that. It's super easy, but I popped that out, and I was able to get all the product that had been caught up at the top. So now I can't reach the product using just the wand anymore. I'm gonna have to get like a lipstick spatula or makeup spatula or something and get down into the bottom of the container, but I'll link that video for taking out the stoppers of your lip glosses. It'll work for concealers, mascaras, pretty much anything that has that little stopper in there. But anyway, that's how far I got on this. Pretty excited about it. This should be gone within a week, I would say. Easily. The next item is a MAC lipstick. I typically always have a MAC lipstick in my projects. This time I picked out the Cream Sheen formula, and this one is in Cream Cup. At the intro video, I had just held the cap up next to it, so I'll do that right now. So you can see that's how far I am. So I've used almost, I would say, about half the amount of product that was in here initially. I really don't have a lot left in here. If I scroll the lipstick down, so the little plastic stopper is at the base of the lipstick, that's all that I have left. So there's really not a lot left in here. It's a very easy shade to wear for me, so I definitely see this one being finished off in the month time frame. And then last time I had actually forgotten to add in a 5th product. I don't know if you've seen some of the other videos from the other girls, but they all had 5 items and I only had 4. and I couldn't figure out what the heck happened, and then it dawned on me I had all my products sitting off on the side and I had a lip balm. I was using the lip balm and I had forgot to put it back in with the pile of stuff. So this was a lip balm that was supposed to go in the intro video, but this is my Mary Kay lip balm. This is in Vanilla Berry, and it's almost like a gloss formula, but it's a balm. It does have like an angled applicator here, but there's not a ton left in here, but there's a decent amount. So I'm gonna try and finish this off by the end date, since it was supposed to be in at the intro video, but I just completely spaced on my 5th product. So this one is a new item, but I have been working on it just a little bit over the past 4 weeks. So those are all my products. So that's everything that I picked out for this challenge. I really appreciate you guys watching. There will be one final update, the finale, on April 14th. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you haven't went over and checked out the other girls, definitely do that. I highly suggest all of their channels. I don't think you'd be disappointed, and that's it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.